Your eyes open in complete darkness, but the sound of heavy chains tells you this is no ordinary prison. Before you can understand where you are, you realize you're about to experience the most feared punishments in human history. A massive iron door begins to open, therefore your heart races before you even see what's waiting outside. If you had only one chance to stay calm, would you be able to take that first step? The guards pull you into a vast chamber, therefore the mystery is finally answered. Standing before you is the infamous Rat, a machine whose reputation alone terrified entire kingdoms. You expect immediate agony, but the executioners move painfully slowly. Every click of the wooden mechanism gives your imagination more time to race ahead of reality. The machine suddenly stops before reaching its limit, therefore you feel an overwhelming wave of relief. But the guards quietly smile, making you realize this was only meant to show you what comes next. Instead of ending your ordeal, they escort you toward another chamber filled with unfamiliar silhouettes. You quickly understand that surviving one torture only leads to the next. The towering shape ahead slowly emerges from the darkness, therefore you finally recognize the Iron Maiden. Its terrifying appearance was designed to frighten people long before its doors ever closed. Before you can recover, another door opens beyond the chamber. Could you keep walking if every room promised an even darker chapter of history? You begin realizing this journey isn't about surviving one device. It's about witnessing how different civilizations transformed fear into a weapon of control. Just ahead, the roar of fire echoes through the corridor. Therefore, your next discovery is already waiting. Whatever created that sound has haunted history for centuries. The heat strikes your face before you even cross the doorway. Therefore, every instinct tells you to stop. But curiosity wins, and the chamber reveals one of history's most infamous creations, the Brazen Bull. At first, it looks almost like a magnificent statue. Therefore, its true purpose is impossible to imagine. Then you notice the hollow interior, and admiration instantly turns into disbelief. The builders engineered even the smallest details, but not to impress artists. They designed the chamber so every sound echoed through the bronze shell, turning engineering into psychological terror. Because every invention seems more elaborate than the last, you begin wondering where human imagination found these ideas. That question follows you as another heavy gate slowly opens. Beyond the gate stands an enormous wooden wheel, unlike anything you've seen before. If you knew what it represented, would you still dare to walk closer? The wheel itself barely moves, therefore your attention shifts to the crowd surrounding it. You realize these punishments were often meant to send a message far beyond a single person. That discovery changes your perspective, but history still holds darker chapters. The guards guide you toward a quiet riverbank where another civilization created something almost impossible to believe. Everything here seems strangely peaceful, therefore the danger is almost invisible. Then you learn this place is remembered for Scaphism, one of history's most horrifying methods of prolonged suffering. Unlike the machines before, this method depended almost entirely on nature itself. That realization is even more unsettling because the environment suddenly feels like part of the punishment. You leave the river behind, therefore you hope the worst has finally passed. But another empire is waiting, carrying a reputation that survived for centuries. The city ahead appears calm, but history remembers it for Lingchi, often called the punishment of 1,000 cuts. Even hearing its name is enough to change the mood around you. You quickly understand that this punishment carried deep symbolic meaning beyond physical suffering. Therefore, the story becomes less about the method itself and more about the power it represented. Each civilization believed its own methods would discourage future crimes, but they all reached the same unsettling conclusion. Fear was easier to spread than justice. The deeper your journey goes, the clearer one truth becomes. These devices reveal far more about the societies that created them than the people forced to face them. As another stone doorway slowly opens, you realize the greatest revelation is still waiting ahead. The final chambers won't ask how these devices worked. They'll reveal why humanity built them in the first place. You step through the doorway, therefore you expect another terrifying device waiting in the darkness. But instead, you enter a silent hall where every torture you've seen is represented only by empty stone pedestals. The silence forces you to think instead of react. Therefore, you begin noticing that every pedestal belongs to a different civilization, yet they all tell the same story about power. The machines are gone, but their absence feels strangely powerful. You realize history remembers cruelty long after the tools themselves have disappeared. As you continue forward, ancient murals begin covering the walls. Instead of celebrating punishment, they show civilizations rising, falling, and repeating the same mistakes. Those images connect every chamber you've visited. Therefore, the journey suddenly feels larger than torture alone. It has become a story about what happens when fear is allowed to rule. A narrow staircase leads upward, but no guard follows you anymore. Could you keep climbing if you knew the final answer might change the way you see history forever? At the top, you discover shelves filled with handwritten records instead of weapons. Therefore, you understand that memory can preserve history more powerfully than iron ever could. The records reveal that many rulers believed fear guaranteed obedience, but history repeatedly proved that fear rarely survives as long as truth. You close the final manuscript. Therefore, everything you've witnessed begins fitting together. The real lesson was never hidden inside the machines, but inside the choices people made. The chamber ahead opens directly to the outside world. For the first time since this journey began, daylight no longer feels distant. Fresh air fills your lungs. Therefore, the weight you've carried begins to disappear. The darkness behind you suddenly feels like another lifetime. Looking back, every chamber now seems smaller than the lesson it contained. You understand that remembering history is one way of preventing it from repeating itself. The path ahead stretches farther than you can see. Therefore, your journey becomes one of understanding instead of survival. Every step feels lighter than the one before. You entered these halls searching for the worst humanity could create. Instead, you leave appreciating the resilience that allowed humanity to endure. Ahead, one final destination waits before this journey can truly end. Whatever lies there will answer the question that has followed you since the prison door first opened. You climb the final hill. Therefore, the monument grows clearer with every step. But instead of honoring kings or conquerors, it stands as a quiet tribute to the countless unnamed people who endured history's darkest punishments. You stop in complete silence because no words seem large enough for this moment. Every torture you've witnessed now feels connected by one simple truth. Every victim was a human being before becoming a warning. Looking beyond the monument, you notice the prison where your journey began far below in the valley. Therefore, you finally understand how far you've traveled, not just across history, but within yourself. The fear that once controlled every step has quietly disappeared. In its place remains a deep respect for those who survived unimaginable suffering throughout history. You remember every chamber, every invention, and every lesson they carried. Could you ever look at history the same way again after walking this path yourself? As the sun begins to set, the monument casts a long shadow behind you. Therefore, you realize the past will always follow humanity, but it doesn't have to define its future. The path forward opens beneath a brilliant sky, and for the first time, this journey feels complete. The answers you were searching for were never hidden inside the machines, but inside the history they left behind. One final glance behind you confirms that the prison gates remain closed forever. Therefore, the story that began with chains ends with freedom. You continue walking as the ruins slowly disappear beyond the horizon. The journey ends, but its lessons remain with you long after the final step. The world feels quieter now because understanding has replaced fear. You carry history forward not as a burden, but as a reminder of how valuable compassion truly is. The last rays of sunlight illuminate the path ahead. Therefore, you keep moving without hesitation. Every step celebrates the freedom that so many throughout history never had. Behind every ancient wall was a story waiting to be remembered. Today, you became part of the journey that kept those stories alive. History is filled with darkness, but it also reveals humanity's ability to endure it. That may be the greatest victory hidden inside every chapter you've witnessed. The silence around you no longer feels unsettling. It feels like respect for everyone whose voices history almost forgot. One final hill remains before your journey reaches its true conclusion. Beyond it lies the answer to the promise made when your eyes first opened inside that prison. You reach the top of the final hill. Therefore, the entire journey unfolds beneath you like a living memory. The prison, the chambers, and every civilization now feel connected by one undeniable truth. The worst tortures in history were created to make people surrender their hope. But standing here, you realize hope survived far longer than any machine ever did. Looking back one last time, you understand the promise hidden inside this journey from the very beginning. History should never be remembered to glorify cruelty, but to remind us why humanity must never repeat it. The chains that once defined your story exist only as memories now. Could you carry this lesson into the future and help ensure these chapters remain only in history? Thank you for experiencing this journey through history with me. If you'd like to step into another unforgettable chapter of the past, I'd be honored to have you along for the next adventure. And until then, what moment in history would you choose to experience next?